Hello and welcome to another video, everybody. We're going to combine a couple things in this video. So first off, it is a train video. You see Q026 from Saturday the 14th on here. Q026 is a daily intermodal from Jacksonville, Florida up to Bedford Park, Illinois. And as we get closer to Christmas, this train will continue to get bigger and bigger. Today's was a monster, over 2.5 miles long. The real thing that we're going to check in on this video, though, is a comparison of the iPhone 11 to the GoPro Hero 8 Black for nighttime photography and videography. So this blows my mind. I would have never expected these results. On the right side, you see the GoPro Hero 8 Black that I use to do rail fanning with primarily when I'm not using my drone. I've got two GoPros that we use. From time to time we switch them out, but we've got a GoPro Hero 7 and a GoPro Hero 8. So that's it on the right. I have the low light settings turned on. Would have expected, a little better result than this. As you can see, I think there's a little bit less of the pixelization. You do see things, what you can see, a little bit more clearly. But on the left side is my daughter's brand new iPhone 11 that she just got. Not sure exactly, I think it's just the default video settings. Don't think she's turned anything on or doing anything differently with it. So in this split screen you see Q026. The two cameras are on tripods less than a foot apart. The GoPro is at a lower angle than the iPhone 11. When you saw the beginning of the train there, it's obvious that the iPhone 11's picking up light a lot faster than the GoPro is. You could see the beams of the headlights way before the train got here. Now that we're essentially in a no light situation. We didn't have any headlights pointed at the train. We're in an area with no street lights, no housing lights really around us. And from the iPhone 11, it looks like the sun is basically setting and that you still have plenty of natural light, while from the GoPro you're seeing basically what the eyeball sees. Almost total darkness. This is at about I want to say this is about 5 o'clock Central Time, which the sun here is set and pretty much gone by that time. And so, just again, blown away. I'll leave the train sound, for the rest of this video up and just let you guys continue to watch if you want to. There's about another 3 minutes of footage. But again, just blown away, shows me that I need to do some iPhone upgrades. Right now I've got an 8 Plus, but looks like if I'm going to be doing any more nighttime photography of trains, an iPhone 11 is certainly going to be a better bet than my GoPro. So, hope you guys have enjoyed this comparison. Certainly come to your own conclusions. Again, the iPhone's a little grainier, but God, I'll take that graininess any day with the ability to actually see what's going on in front of us. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the like button down below. Give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.